Hey guys, John Vaporonning Technologies here today, showing off our VH1000 with the optional track and car system. This machine's built out of all stainless steel, 1/4-inch plate on all of the major support pieces in the racking system. The table actually racks down out of the way so the door can close and seal properly. This machine is awesome for loading and unloading and blasting heavy parts, and of course there's the turntable. On the back is a new addition to the family here. We have a 2-stage filtration system. We have filtration mesh roll on the left side that pulls through the bed, filters all of the water and the abrasive out of the water, and then a second stage up here, which is another 5-micron filtration method, so it gives you super clean, very clean water. If you guys have questions about this system or the filtration system, give us a call. We're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.